Hi, I'm Mike Heiligman. I'm the PO for our systems team here at Mastercam. I've been here 15 years, started in support, worked in QC, and about 5 years ago became PO for Team 6. So the GV Cube started out as really a concept sketch. How could we better enhance the user experience? And we're doing that throughout the software within graphics. We're trying to make things easier in the software to use, select things graphically, and not having to go into all these managers and menus to manipulate the graphic screen and objects and that sort of thing. And we started to prototype this, and we really thought, wow, this is awesome. We can display this on the graphic screen, give the user the ability to manipulate the graphics really easily without having to go to other areas of the software to go to the front view, back view, ISO view. You're now able to just go to the lower left-hand corner and click on that, giving the options to scale it and scale it down, really customization for the user. You know, we just got done doing some Mastercam feedback. It was apparent, just even internally, our users are using the cube. It's just right there graphically, the user can see it, it's exposed easily, and yeah, I think this is going to be a great addition for Mastercam 2024.